Welcome to Quizriz, the channel where curiosity meets fun. Today, we have a special challenge for you. Can you identify 40 of the world's most important field crops just by looking at their photos? Here's how it works. You'll see a picture, you'll have 5 seconds to guess, and then we'll reveal the answer along with some amazing facts. Ready? Let's begin. It's wheat, a staple food ground into flour for bread, pasta, and cereals. It covers more farmland than any other crop on Earth. It's rice, the staple food for more than half the world's population, especially in Asia. Did you know there are over 40,000 varieties of rice? Here comes another. What's this golden crop? It's maize, also called corn. Corn used for food, animal feed, starch, and even biofuel. Yes, it's barley, widely used for beer, whiskey, soups, and as animal feed. Barley is one of the first grains ever domesticated. It's sorghum, known as the camel of crops because it thrives in dry climates. It's used for food, fodder, and biofuels. This healthy grain, it's oats, best known for oatmeal and breakfast cereals, also used as livestock feed. Oats are naturally gluten-free and are considered heart-healthy. It's rye, used in bread, whiskey, and animal feed, especially in Germany, Poland, and Russia. Here comes something unusual. It's triticale, a hybrid between wheat and rye, mostly used as livestock feed and sometimes in bread or alcohol. Let's see if you get this one. It's quinoa. Quinoa is gluten-free, rich in protein, and was called the mother grain by the Incas. This one is from South Asia and Africa. It's finger millet, also called raji, used in porridge, flatbreads, and beer, mainly grown in India. And here's another millet. It's foxtail millet. Cultivated in India and China, it's used for porridge and as animal feed. Foxtail millet is drought-resistant and very easy to grow. This one is soybean, used for oil, animal feed, tofu, and even biodiesel. Soybeans are the largest source of plant-based protein in the world. This is groundnut or peanut, eaten roasted, made into peanut butter, and used for oil. Also, astronaut Alan Shepard took peanuts to space. Here's a protein-rich crop, chickpea, used in hummus, curries, and soups, mainly grown in India, Turkey, and Pakistan. This one is lentil, popular in soups, dals, and stews. Lentils are protein-rich. Canada is the largest exporter of lentils in the world. Here's a hearty legume, pigeon pea, grown in India and East Africa, used in dals, stews, and curries. Pigeon peas can fix nitrogen, enriching the soil naturally. This one is cowpea, also called black-eyed pea, popular in Africa and Asia. Cowpeas are highly drought-resistant and a crucial protein source in dry regions. Next, we have mung bean, used for sprouts, soups, and desserts, mainly in India, China, and Southeast Asia. Mung beans are rich in protein. Faba bean, also called broad bean, used in soups, falafel, and animal feed. They are among the oldest domesticated plants in the Mediterranean. And here's lupin. Grown in Australia and Europe, used for high-protein flour and animal feed. Lupins are nitrogen fixers and can improve soil fertility. This bright yellow field is sunflower, used for oil and snacks. Sunflowers follow the sun, a process called heliotropism. Here's canola, also called rapeseed, used for edible oil and biofuel, grown in Canada, China, and India. Canola is a variety of rapeseed bread to remove bitter compounds. This one is sesame, famous for oil and seeds used in bread and tahini. The phrase "open sesame" comes from its seed pods bursting open. Here's mustard seed, used for oil and condiments. Mustard seeds are among the smallest seeds in the world, but produce huge flavor. This is flax, also called linseed, used for flaxseed oil, health foods, and linen fiber. Linen made from flax has been used for over 30,000 years. Next up, safflower, used for oil, dyes, and birdseed. Ancient Egyptians used safflower as a dye for cloth and cosmetics. This one is kanaf, used for paper, fiber, and ropes, grown in India, China, and Thailand. Kanaf is related to hibiscus. This one was easy, cotton, used in textiles worldwide. 1 pound of cotton makes about 200 pairs of socks. Next is jute, used for sacks, ropes, and mats, mainly grown in India and Bangladesh. Jute is called the golden fiber for its shiny appearance. Here's castor bean, used for industrial oil, lubricants, and medicine, grown in India, Brazil, and China. Castor oil was used by ancient Egyptians as lamp fuel. Here's hemp, used for fiber, rope, paper, and now health products. The U.S. Declaration of Independence was drafted on hemp paper. This one is potato, staple food worldwide. Potatoes were the first vegetable grown in space. Here's sweet potato, used in fries, pies, and snacks. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin A and not related to potatoes botanically. Next is cassava, also called manioc, used for flour, starch, and biofuel. Here's yam, staple in West Africa. Yams are different from sweet potatoes, though often confused. This one is taro, used in poi, soups, and desserts. Taro is considered one of the earliest cultivated plants. This tall plant is sugarcane, used for sugar, ethanol, and rum, grown in Brazil, India, and China. Sugarcane supplies 80% of the world's sugar. Here's sugar beet, another source of sugar. Sugar beets were promoted in Europe when sugarcane imports were cut off during wars. This is coffee. Coffee grown in Brazil, Vietnam, and Colombia. Coffee is the second most traded commodity after oil. And the last one, tea, grown in China, India, and Kenya. Tea is the world's most consumed drink after water. And that's it. You've just seen 40 of the world's most important field crops. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Thanks for joining us on Quizriz, where curiosity meets fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next quiz. See you soon.